Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey sup, my correct pipo? For dis Friday, welcome back to Naijagistcentral, your number one place for balanced but hot Naija gist. Today matter plenty. Old wound don open again between Tonto, Dikeh and Rosy Meurer. Police don enter TikTok matter and Wizkid baby mama no gree keep quiet after person come curse im pikin. Make una grab una popcorn and drink as we dive into the matter proper. My pipo, dis Tonto, Dikeh and Rosy Meurer matter be like film wey no wan end. She say, I can take a bullet for Churchill. She also tok say if she no dey comfortable for her marriage, she go waka now, nobody go force her. Internet scatter because we all know the history wey involve Tonto, Dikeh and her ex-husband Olakunle Churchill. Remember say Tonto and Churchill marriage crash years ago publicly, that na like 10 years ago. Rosy later come marry Churchill, so anytime any of them talk, people go connect dots, you understand? Now few days ago, after Rosy statement trend, Tonto drop one message: you for no repent. Simple sen ten ce but internet no see am as simple. People begin dey ask who she dey talk to, na indirect abi na coincidence, you understand? Rosy later also talk say she was dragged into violence and narratives during the failed marriage saga. She try clear inconsis ten cies. Meanwhile, Tonto post heartwarming family picture with Churchill, co-parenting vibes. That one shock many people. Some say na maturity, some say PR, some say silent message. Truth be say none of them call each other name directly, but fans no dey sleep. The bone of contention here no be few new fight na public perception. Who was wrong? Who moved on better? Who dey shade who? And once fans smell small ten sion, e go trend. Now this one curious pass entertainment gist. Reports say police don move to nab tiktoker Mirabel after she allegedly confess say that her sexual assault claim na false meaning say na lie. If na true, this one heavy because false allegation fit destroy person reputation permanently. At the same time, real victims of assault don already struggle for people to believe their story. So when something like this happen, e dey cause serious public anger. Some people say she must face the law. Others say why push am to go lie? But once police enter matter, e don pass social media. This one fit turn legal case important thing here be say make we wait for official confirmation, make we no go judge. I no follow for police station for dis we Naija, obodo Naija. you know how much wey e be? No enter their case o. Well, police na your friend. Now dis one e dey emotional too much. One of Wizkid's baby mama e react after troll allegedly wish im pikin dead. Oh, why now? She respond and she call the person. E say e dey mentally deranged. Now make we reason am. Criticizing adult celebrity na one thing o, but dragging innocent child enter, that one too far na. E no good. Many fans support her reaction. Some say celebrities should ignore trolls. But when pikin enter matter, emotions dey hide. This one spark serious debate online about boundaries. Why? So today na so we see am, na here one match break. Old drama wey refuse to die. Police matter wey fit turn court case o. And mama wey defend her pikin with her full chest. Which one shock you pass? You think say Tonto and Rosy truly move on? Should false accusers face jail? Should celebs ignore trolls? Well, drop your opinion, but keep am respectful, yeah? If you never subscribe to Naijagistcentral, you dey miss o. You dey miss balanced hot gists. Like, share, and turn on notification icon. See you next upload. Sign out.